So this is the shower head, and you can see it's made out of plastic, not so much stainless steel. And there's water that stays in the shower head, and then you have the beads in there that get stuck. See, the pressure of this is pretty good. The only bad part is that it doesn't light up anymore after 2 weeks of using it. I'm gonna turn the water on. No light, but the water pressure is good. There's no way of controlling if it should be hard pressure or soft. The only downfall is that there's another part here where it'll spray out towards me.
Okay, so I got the shower head. So far everything is good and I like it. The only problem is that right here it says 3 colors temperature control. And it has these little lines indicating the settings. So mine doesn't come with that. So that's pretty much false advertising. And it comes only with 1 color once the shower head is on. And the water pressure is good, which is fine, and I can forgive that. So I'm going to turn on the water. There it is. Nice. And it looks really cool. Look at that. All right.
Hey everybody, I'm an actual buyer here from Amazon, and I've never done a video to show a product that I've purchased that I love, but I bought this shower head off Amazon. It's like $37 or something, and I have to tell you, I hated taking a shower in my shower basically because of that nasty head. And this, let me show you what it looks like when you turn it on. It's amazing. Look at that. The water is perfect. When it touches your head, it feels so good. The conditionings and whatever is in here to condition your water to be softer, it is. So this is, I give this product like 50 thumbs up. And I just used it this morning. Beautiful, thank you.
Easy installment, easy. So I just put this on. You put the white stripe on this at the end, and then you turn this base and put it on, and then you attach this hose on this base, and you attach this to the shower head, and then you turn on the water, and you're good to go. It's that simple. And there goes the light. I didn't do anything to the light. I just installed and I turned on the pipe and the light came on by itself. So there you have it. Worth the money.
You guys already know I never gatekeep a product, especially if it's something I purchase myself. And whenever I find a good quality product that's inexpensive and something I've already tried myself, I like to let you guys know about it. So I purchased this new shower head off of Amazon, and it comes with these beads in it. These beads help the water be less harsh on your body and more soft. It also illuminates your shower, which is really cool with these LED lights. And the color determines the temperature of the water, so either blue, green, or red. I also really like that the shower head comes off of the nozzle to help wash your body more thoroughly. And of course, topic of conversation and my most favorite part is the amount of force and pressure that comes out is insane. It actually kind of feels like a massage. The shower head is currently a household favorite, thankfully, because it makes everybody want to shower. I highly recommend it, and for only $33, you can't beat it.
We love this shower head, and the seller is awesome. And yeah. So if you turn the water settings down a little, I'll show you what it's a softer setting. Because sometimes it's a little hard. So when it's a lower setting, you don't get quite as bright of lights. And when it's there, they go fuller, but we really love it. I'll turn it down. Ah, you're getting me wet.
you can see, the inner tube will not stay in the right spot. It will not stay connected to the actual shower head. So there's the tube inside, but once I let go of the hose, it will retract back up into the metal part of the hose, and then it will not stay connected to this piece. So all the water just ends up coming out of the bottom of the shower head instead of the top. Total waste. Don't buy.
Yeah.
It doesn't look like it on the camera though.
I love it already. Yay!